gonna cast on 45 stitches. So got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then you do until you got 45 stitches on the needle. Once you have 45 stitches on the needle, so now we're gonna begin the row 1. Yeah, so that's one knit, but we're gonna do all the stitches. So you continue knit until the end of the row. And row 2, we're going to purl. Continue purl until the end of the row. Now row 3, repeat the row 1 with knit all the stitches until the end. And row 4, purl all the stitches. Oopsie. Do you guys like purl or do you like knit better? Sometimes I do like purl. Sometimes I don't like knit. Okay, keep continue until the end of the row and then I meet you there. Row 5, we're going to knit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now this right needle we're going to twist back to front, so 360 like that. And now this ball of yarn here we're going to follow, so go follow like that. So now the working yarn is on the right place again. Okay, this is how it should look like. And now we continue working in normal. Knit 9 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, after 9 stitches, and then we're going to do repeat again. So twist the right needle back to front like that, and you grab the ball, follow it, okay, like that. And then you continue do another 9 stitches. Knit 9 stitches. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now we're gonna repeat again. Repeat, twist it, so back to front like this, and then you reach for the ball, go over, and then you continue. Knit another 9 stitches, and then twist it again like that, and then grab the ball, continue to another 9, knit 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, should have 4 left, 4 stitches left. Before continue, don't forget to twist the needle one last time. Knit last 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we're gonna change the color. This first color, leave a little bit of tail. We don't need that anymore, and we're going to join the new color. So 6 pearl 2 together. And continue to pearl 2 together until the end of the row. Alright, so 7, do 2, knit 2 together till the end of the row. Last stitch, knit 1. Row 8, pearl 2 together. Should have 6 stitches left in this point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're gonna cut the yarn just enough for to sew, and then take the needle, remove the needle, another size, You can use this tail to sew, doesn't matter, you just need to sew it together.